Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix text notification not working on iPhone in iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 buyers are complaining about that they are facing an issue of text notifications, that their text notification are not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're one of them and looking for a fix, so you're in a right video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix text notification not working issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. So guys, first of all you have to do is check do not disturb mode. Ensure that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode. You can check this by going to your control center, and from here you can see the do not disturb mode. If it's unable, then you have to disable it. After this, then you have to do check silent mode. Make sure that your iPhone is not in silent mode. Toggle the physical switch on the side of your iPhone to make sure it's not in silent mode, like this. After this, then you have to do restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Software update may include bug fixes and improvement that can address notification issues. So you have to open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of iOS 17. Now I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can simply tap down install it tonight. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then it's advisable to do reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings to their default values. To do this, you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.